This mirror is so big. Hi guys, what's popping? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, from my voice you can hear that I'm so freaking tired. So I just decided to do this room tour just for doing sake, and yeah, so today I'm doing a hotel room tour. I am at Regis, Birmingham. Is at 5 Ways. It's one of the most prestigious hotels in Birmingham and so beautiful, so clean, and I wanted to give you guys a room tour. It's definitely worth it. Let's go. So guys, when you just get into the room, of course on your left side you can see where you can put your card. Actually it's the hotel room card to put here so your lights can come on, but I just put my bank card so I can be able to use the card to come in. So straight ahead you see a bean bag, you see a decks with chairs. You have a TV, you have a telephone. Underneath you have a coffee station. The room is not spacious, but it's quite beautiful and clean. And yeah, you got the bed. On the wall you got some art or a picture. You got a lamp here. I haven't even turned this on. I have no idea. I think it's not even on. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, beautiful. There you can do. Let me do the other side. Beautiful. All right, guys. So there you have the bed. Just so you know, I just slept on it before starting this video because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a video or not. So it's my graduation weekend, and I decided to spend the night the weekend in the hotel. So this hotel is not far from where I live, but I just wanted something, a strange place so I could calm down my head. So walking straight directly from where I came from the TV, I go straight in there. You got the bathroom, but before then you have on your right hand side a very good light view And that's, you can see guys, that's 5 ways, 5 ways guys. See, 5 ways, 5 ways has one of the biggest what do you call it again, runabouts. Yes, so 5 ways has the biggest runabout. And there you can see the hotel sign, Park Regis. That's their sign. It's, obviously you can't see it from here because it's from here. You're gonna be reading it from you're gonna be reading it backwards. It's so beautiful guys, the lobby and everything. And yeah, so in here we got a cupboard where you can store some clothes and whatever you want. Where we got an iron board. We got hangers. We have safe box, or if you want to save something, money, jewelries, anything expensive. So we got towels underneath, and we got a drawer here. Oh yeah, we got a hair dryer in there. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, you have your AC, this thing where you can on and off, operate and turn off the AC or put some heating, whatever you want. Just you can do it on this system. Yeah, so there's actually a door that connects the bathroom or the restroom and the actual room itself. So that's the door. And then standing in front of the door, this is my view. I like the lighting in here. I just love the lighting. All right guys, so I'm gonna open the bathroom door again and let's have a look at the bathroom. So there we go. We have a shower, nice one and spacious, not that bad. Clean as well, very beautiful, fancy, looks fancy. Need to have give you guys a proper look, close look at the shower. I love the shower head though. So you have two options for the people that are tall. You see, it's quite long, quite tall. Me, I'm very short, so I think any of them can go for me. And yeah, this mirror is so big, guys. Oh my god, this is so big. And there we go. We got towels above, and then underneath we have a toilet seat and a bin. We have some toilet rolls. We have shampoo, conditioner, and soap, and some face towels, which is very useful. Oh yeah. So let me see. I don't know if these drawers open up. No, they don't. So we have a sink, and it's quite beautiful and clean. Yeah guys, so that's it for today. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Bye guys.